Hello everyone! Welcome to the sky. My name is Maria and this is my channel. And so I thought we might be able to do maybe 4 weeks of Halloween since I don't upload every day. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make spooky pancakes. I usually don't do cooking, but I don't know, I feel like today is a good day for making like cute pancakes. And on Instagram I asked what kind of Pokemon do you guys like? And I got a lot of replies, so today I think I want to try and make some spooky Pokemon. So let's cook. We're gonna have to make 2 colors, so I'm gonna make some pink. And with some cocoa powder, I'm gonna try to make some brown. So take your cup. And we're gonna start working with the dry ingredients first. So this is a recipe for 1%. It kind of gives you 3 pancakes. So I'm gonna try to make smaller pancakes. And I practiced yesterday, so I wouldn't screw up. So I already have a little bit of batter left, and I'm gonna use that to do the first ones, just to try. And yeah, so let's do flour first. So 1 cup of flour. And we are going to add sugar. A little bit of salt. So in Japan, looking for baking powder is kind of difficult for cookies and cake and fluffy pancakes. We have our dry ingredients in a bowl, and in another bowl we are going to put our wet ingredients. So take your egg and put it in a different bowl. If you're lazy like me, like yesterday I didn't do it like all nicely. Did the wet ones first and then I added slowly the dry ones because I don't like washing dishes. So like, I'm a messy person. Alright, so you need 3/4 of a cup of milk. It says a tablespoon of butter, but I usually use oil. So we're gonna just get a spoon. I'm also gonna add cinnamon to the dry ingredients and vanilla to the wet ingredients, just because we're separated. This doesn't change the flavor much, but it just does make it smell good when you cook it. I'm gonna just put a few drops. So add the taste. I like my things spicy. Not hot, spicy. So yeah, so now we're just gonna whisk the eggs. And don't whisk them too like strongly or your pancakes will turn out weird. I don't know why. Just have them mix nicely. And now what you're going to do is you're going to have your dry powders, whatever, bowl, and you're gonna add it slowly. So when you add it like a little bit at the time. So I'm sure like you'll be asking yourselves like, why isn't it doing with the machine or whatever? This is my kitchen. That is the bathroom. That over there is the rest of my house. You can see can you see that? Yeah, that's the washing machine. It's in my kitchen because I live in Japan and Japan is really small. So I'm very sorry if like you guys are not used to seeing people doing things from scratch with their hands. Alright, so this is our batter. And burning colors is super annoying, so what you should do is get in one of these ketchup bottles. This is batter from yesterday, so I'm just gonna reuse this as pink. And I only got one because I don't usually do art stuff like that, but I just really wanted to try. So I'm just gonna add more here, and then we will start trying and draw. So what you're gonna do is very carefully, I hate doing this, so you're gonna try to put the batter inside the tiny vessel. That's fine. Okay. So once you do that, once it's inside here, what you should do is add your food coloring. So this one is a powdered one. It says red. And so you can just put like a spoonful or two depending on how red or how pink you want it. And since I already did that and I don't want to change the color, I'm not gonna add any more, but just so you guys get the idea. Alright then, so once you've done that, you want to close. You'll want to close the lid and just shake it. Alright then, so now we have a lot of batter. And we can start making some art. Alright, so the first that we're going to try and do is Gengar, since it's a Halloween spooky theme. So let's try and do Gengar. So I'm kind of like suspicious to say anything about Gengar because Gengar is one of my favorite Pokemon as well. So what you want to do is preheat the pan or whatever you're using. It's like roll the pan a little bit, just a little bit. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is, since now it's hot, I'm gonna turn it off so nothing burns. And we're gonna just get our ketchup thing and we're gonna draw. Alright, so the third finger. And now what you do is you turn it on again. You let it cook a little bit more on a low heat so it doesn't burn all the way. And what I want to do is I want to put some batter here. And yeah, so you just put some batter on top. And you just put the batter on top and then you just like let it spread a little bit. Hopefully it will spread. There you go. And then heat up. And then let's help the little pancake go a little bit further so it just covers the whole drawing. So what you want to do is like have a smaller drawing so you don't have to make such a big pancake. Right, so time for it smells like vanilla. So this is going to be my lunch and probably my dinner because calories. And but you can barely see it. Can you see it? didn't turn out perfectly, but it's our first try, so it's okay. Like how fluffy my pancake is. Yum. I'll probably make some eggs to go with it later. Who cares if it's 3 p.m. every day? Anytime is breakfast time. Alright then, so that's it for this one. Let's do another one. So turn it off again. So I want to do like the line art. And I adjust it. Like I don't want to do the correct colors or whatever. And I'm really nervous. Time to cover this bad boy. Just gonna cover it on like the sides. Okay, here we go. It's crying. It's cute. It doesn't look terrible. Oh, it's a peekaboo. It has a little peepee. I didn't do too badly. Turn off this thing. Yay! One of the eyes is bigger than the other, but that's alright. And it looks like it's drilling, not like this one. It's a, I don't know if you can tell anymore. It's at the hat, and then the ears, and then the Pikachu face. And on the other side, we have Gengar. It's upside down, but I don't care anymore. And it looks good. I like this one. I just like the Pikachu. Well, because I don't like it. Sorry. But look at the peekaboo. It's time to eat the pancakes. I'm very happy how Pumpkaboo came out. Like you can't see it. It came out really cute. So I will probably take some pictures and let's see how it tastes. Come on. Sorry. I don't want to brag, but my pancakes are always really good. Okay. So this was my week 1 of spooky Halloween something. I'll figure out later. I'll figure out next week. Okay everyone, so I post videos every Wednesday, and if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you'd like to see more cooking kind of things, just leave me a comment below. Well, I tried cooking at home. Next week, I don't know what we will do, but it will be Halloween related. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.